Good morning, CeeCee. Are you ready to make some old-fashioned Southern biscuits?
Yeah, I love making biscuits with you, Grandma.
Me too. Let's gather everything we need before we begin.
I'm ready. Let's get started.
First, we'll need flour, whipping cream, cold butter, cold lard, and a bit of sugar, my secret ingredient. Now let's put all our ingredients into a big mixing bowl. Now stir the ingredients slowly, CeeCee. Perfect. Now we'll knead the dough with our hands until it's soft and smooth. You're doing an excellent job. Now let's roll our dough into one nice round ball.
Look how soft it feels, Grandma. I'm proud of our biscuit dough.
Ready to make our biscuits. Join us next time to see our delicious biscuits fresh from the oven.
We'll also share the exact ingredients and measurements so you can make them at home.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching CeeCee and her curious cousin Lexi. If you enjoyed today's adventure, you can hear more of our original music on the album Shrewd by Anthony and Company featuring Ida. Available on Apple Music and CD Baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for our next adventure.